So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix location permissions on Life360. So in order to fix location permissions, you'll need to go to the main settings of your phone. So let's open that. Once you're here, you can scroll all the way down until you see apps. So let's click on those. From there, you can see different apps with different names. You will need to get to the letter L, which is right here, and go ahead and click on Life360. You can see the version of the app. You can see your preferred language. You can paste from other apps, allow tracking. You can see some other stuff that you can turn on, like notifications, Siri, Bluetooth, and location. Now it's important to focus on location. So just click on here. You can see the options never, ask, next time, or when I share, while using the app, or always. To fix location permissions, you can set it up to always allow, or if you're using an Android device, click on allow all the time. So just make sure that precise location is enabled and background app refresh are also turned on. So you can see once it's on always, you can choose to add precise location. So it's going to be beneficial for the app to function that way. So that's about it. That's how you can fix those location permissions on Life360. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.